Grocery shopping can be a daunting task, but with some smart planning, you can significantly reduce your food expenses without sacrificing quality. Start by making a detailed shopping list based on your weekly meals. This not only helps you avoid impulse buys, but also ensures you purchase only what you need. Take inventory of what you already have at home to prevent duplication and waste. Next, consider meal prepping to maximize efficiency. By cooking in batches, you can save time and money while ensuring you have ready-to-eat meals. Always shop with a strategy. Try to visit the store later in the week when discounts are often applied to items nearing their expiration dates. Additionally, focus on seasonal produce. They are usually fresher and more affordable. Don't forget to use coupons and apps that offer cash back for groceries. Finally, try to avoid shopping when you are hungry, as this leads to unplanned purchases. With these strategies, you can create a sustainable approach to grocery shopping that keeps your pantry stocked while protecting your wallet. Your future self will thank you for the extra savings and reduced stress.